Boom! All right, I'm so excited you're here. Well, my name is Angel Lopez, founder of Big Home Business. And what I want to do is I want to take you inside the most powerful, unified, duplicatable system on this planet Earth that I'm currently on, right? Listen to me. At the end of the day, you don't need to know how it works. You just need to know that it works. Don't mistake my hype. Don't mistake my enthusiasm for hype. I'm a Bible-thumping, pew-jumping, charismatic preacher's kid, right? People used to go to my dad's church to lose weight. So I'm going to take you inside Big Home Business. And you'll learn what we mean when we say, get them in church, and we're going to get them saved. If you can do this, I'm not exaggerating. If you can do this, if you can point to your Big Home Business affiliate link, for the love of God, you're going to go from zero to hero faster than you could ever dream of. You may not be where you want to be in 6 weeks, but you're not where you're going to be today. That much I can promise you. All right? So I'm going to sit my butt down. I'm going to stop desktop. I'm going to stop my video. I'm going to start desktop share, and I'm about to blow you away. Listen. PlanNet marketing taps into an $8 trillion industry. $8 trillion industry. Think about it. It's a travel industry. These earthlings, especially in America and the UK, they work 50 weeks out of the year. They slave 40 hours a week, 50 weeks out of the year, if they're lucky, to go on vacation for 2 weeks. They're looking for someone. They book their travel on somewhere online. Why do they book them through you? So you can get paid. So you can get paid. See, the travel industry is set up for whenever someone books travel or they book your own vacation and so forth, someone's going to get paid. That commission's got to go somewhere. Why not you? Why not you? Stay with me here. Stay with me. I'm going nowhere. I'm here. I'm logging on. This is Big Home Business, integrating the power of the subconscious. So I'm going to log on. When you first log on, wow, there's so much content here. So much content here. You'll watch the homepage video. And I'm not going to go through everything, but I'm going to show you what's going to blow you away. When you join our team in Team Big Home Business PlanNet Marketing, when you first come in here, you're going to go to Tools, you're going to go to your program links. You're going to put your Big Home Business username right here, and you're going to save. What that does is integrates PlanNet Marketing platform with Big Home Business. Now, all you have to do is go to your affiliate link, grab your affiliate link. We're going to show you a preview. Isn't that a beautiful page? Damn, I'm pretty. And you're just going to get earthlings who have eyeballs of the flesh and blood kind to your affiliate link. They're going to sit here and watch the 3-minute video. I'm going to invite them to register to watch the webinar, and it's on. That's what I mean by getting them in church. That's all you have to do. Listen to me. Stop drinking the stupid, silly, willy MLM Kool-Aid. What do I mean by the MLM Kool-Aid? Where you're listening to these gurus who are successful telling you, you do this, and you do that. If it worked, we wouldn't have a fucking 99% failure rate in this industry. Don't worry, I know I dropped the F-bombs, but Jesus forgives, they tell me. If it worked across the board, if it worked, we wouldn't be experiencing a 99% failure rate in this industry. Something's wrong. Who was it? Einstein said, if you keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, expecting different results, that's insanity. The MLM industry is fucked up. It's crazy. It's insane. Because no one until today dares to confront this Goliath and say, you know what? With a 99% failure rate in this industry, don't you think we should be doing something different? Well, no, just keep teaching duplication and keep plugging them into the pep up, rah pep rallies on Tuesday nights and that, and get them to talk to their warm Mark and Aunt Betty. Aunt Betty doesn't even talk to you because she's still paying on that program you got her in from 3 months ago. Get them in church, and we'll get them saved. We have a 92.3% success rate inside big home business. You didn't hear wrong. 92.3% success rate. Because we have a true unified duplicatable system that you can plug Mary, Joe, Harry, Larry, Barry, Susie, Lisa in. And if they do this, these results happen. They do this and that, these same results happen. That's an absolute science. That's an absolute science. You don't have to take my word for it. All I'm going to encourage you to do is you'll see the link below in the description. Click on it. Watch the 3-minute video and register for our webinar, our 6-step videos, and watch them. There's enough information there once you register and access big home business to allow you to conduct your due diligence and make the decision that's right for you. See, at the end of the day, you don't need to know how it works. You just need to know that it works. You may not be where you want to be in 6 weeks, but you're not going to be where you're at today. That much I can promise you. Go ahead and click on the link, register, and let's do this. At the very least, learn about big home business unified duplicatable system. It's all you have to learn. See you on the other side.